Hi everybody, I'm Nafas. Welcome to my YouTube channel and my backyard makeover. As the spring was starting to show itself, I decided it was finally time to turn my backyard into a Pinterest-style dream space. But there was one big problem. My yard was completely overgrown with weeds. So the first thing that came to my mind was, okay, let's dig everything out. And I actually started doing it. But after working the entire day, I realized this was not going to work. First of all, everything was super heavy, and I clearly needed proper tools or even machines to remove it. And second, I noticed that I was taking out a huge amount of the actual garden soil along with the weeds, which meant I would have to buy new soils all over again, and it's so expensive. So I changed my plan instead. I decided to sit down and carefully separate the weeds from the soil as much as I could. This was also a bad idea. Yeah, I even had to wear back support because the pain got real. This is the result of day 2 working on my backyard, and I'll probably have to take a few days off to recover, but stay tuned for part 2.